Quick review of these power bar units. These are designed to go into furniture. Where I bought 2 of them, we are going to put them in our night tables, our bedside tables. Every time we're at a hotel and the bedside table has one of these in it, it's so much nicer than having to dig around and find the outlets and worry about it unplugging behind your bed and everything. This is going to make it a lot easier to have everything right on the top. I'm choosing to put them in the top of our nightstands just because that works with what we have. So I'm going to show you. This is my husband's, which I haven't done yet. Okay, so that's the nightstand unit, what we have to work with. We do have solid wood nightstands, so that is going to be better for cutting into them and screwing something in. You just know that it's going to be solid wood to work with. And I will show you the finished product. So we just did this one here. I just plugged it in to make sure that it worked, and it does. It's charging my watch and it was charging my phone, just like so. Okay, so we have 2 outlets and then we have 2 USB. It's very, very simple actually. So it comes with this little template. It's like a sticker template. Basically, you just peel this off and you stick it on the spot that you need to cut out. As long as you have the right tools, you cut out a rectangle this size and the unit slides right into it. Very easy. Make sure that you have the cord accessible to be able to plug into your outlet behind our bed in our case, but overall, very easy to put in. A little bit of cleanup, obviously, when you're cutting wood, but after everything's cleaned up, we have a very convenient outlet and power source right built into the top of your table. So these are good for nightstands. They're good for like living room furniture. You know, everybody is looking for more options for charging ports, and so this is super handy. I'm gonna be glad we did it. Hope this helped.